Welcome. Welcome to Module 0, your mindset reset. Take a deep breath. This is your first step, and it's the most important one. Let's be clear right from the start. This isn't a technical module. You won't see complex diagrams or hear confusing jargon here. This is a mindset module. Our goal together is simple, and it's just 3 things: to replace fear with clarity, to swap anxiety with action, to turn confusion into confidence. If you've ever heard the word cybersecurity and felt a knot in your stomach or your eyes just glazed over, you are not alone, and you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to begin not by learning a bunch of rules, but by gently shifting how you think about protecting your business. So, what's the purpose of this module? 3 things. First, to remove that anxiety about cybersecurity, to demystify it. Second, to set a practical, realistic mindset. This journey is about progress, not perfection. No one is 100% secure, and that's okay. And third, to introduce you to your new guide, the Cyber Health Index, or CHI. Think of it as your friendly digital health companion. Please, think of this as a conversation, a chat between you and someone who wants to see you succeed. We are here to prepare you, not to scare you. Visual, transition to a new screen titled, The Number One Thing to Understand. Now let's dive into our first key topic: why cybersecurity is now a business survival issue. Gone are the days when this was just an IT problem to be left to a tech person in a back room. Today, cybersecurity is as core to your business as cash flow, as customer service, as the quality of your product. Why? Because look at your business. Almost every part of it is digital now. Your invoices, your client emails, your employee records, your social media, your banking, even the smart devices in your office. This isn't just data. This is the lifeblood of your modern business. And if any one of these digital pieces is compromised, the consequences aren't virtual. They're painfully real. Your business could face serious financial loss. It could suffer lasting reputation damage, the trust you've built over years gone. You could face legal liabilities and fines, and you'll almost certainly face operational downtime where everything just stops. Let's make this real with an example. Imagine a local bakery. It's a beloved spot in the neighborhood. They use a simple point-of-sale system and email for taking custom cake orders. Now, imagine if their email gets hacked. It happens every day. Suddenly, the attackers aren't just reading emails. They can redirect customer payments to their own accounts. They can access saved card details from online orders. They can even pose as the bakery, sending phishing links to loyal customers, tricking them too. This bakery isn't a major bank. It's not a tech giant, but it is a target. Why? Because it has something of value: access, information, and money. So here's your key takeaway, the mindset shift to hold on to. Your business does not need to be big to be valuable to a hacker. Your data, your access, your digital presence, it all has real-world value. And protecting it is no longer optional. It's essential for your survival and growth. This is the new reality of doing business, and understanding it is your first, most powerful step toward true security.